derivatives, differentiation, long answers. LAQ 101 exercise number 3.5 x power y equal to e power x minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Given x power y equal to e power x minus y, so take log on both sides. Log x power y equal to log e power x minus y. Y log x equal to x minus y log e. Log e value always 1. So y log x equal to x minus y log e value 1. Minus y becomes 2 plus y. Y log x plus y equal to x. Take y common. 1 plus log x equal to x. Therefore, y equal to x by 1 plus log x. Next, take differentiation in the form of u by v. So, we apply u dash v dash u by v square formula. Let u by v, u dash v value 1 plus log x minus v dash 1 plus log x dash into x by v square. Derivative of x value 1 into 1 plus log x. Derivative of 1 value 0. Derivative of log x 1 by x. This x is this one. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of log x 1 by x into x. X cancel. 1 plus log x whole square. Next remaining 1 plus log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So log x by 1 plus log x whole square. 1 plus log x. Y equal to x power y. Then find dy by dx. Take log on both sides. Log y. Log x power y. Log y equal to y log x. Next, differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x. There is y into log y into log y. So we apply uv formula in this place. This is a implicit function. When we derive y later, in that place we must write dy by dx. Derivative of log y 1 by y into dy by dx. Derivative of log x 1 by x. Similarly, derivative of log y 1 by y into dy by dx. In RHS, apply uv formula u dash v plus v dash u. Next, 1 by y 1 by y into dy by dx. Derivative of x value 1. Similarly, derivative of y 1 into dy by dx. 1 into dy by dx into this log x plus derivative of log x. Derivative of log x 1 by x into y. So we get 2 dy by dx terms. So 1 by y into dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx equal to y by x. Take dy by dx common. 1 by y minus log x equal to y by x. Take LCM. Dy by dx into y LCM 1 minus y log x equal to y by x. Therefore, dy by dx y by x into, take its reciprocal value, y by 1 minus y log x. So y square by x into 1 minus log x. Y into y square by x into 1 minus y log x. Y equal to x into under root x square plus a square into log of x plus under root x square plus a square. Show that 2 into under root a square plus x square y equal to x into root over a square plus x square plus a square into sin h inverse x by a. From trigonometry, hyperbolic functions chapter is there. From the chapter sin h inverse x by a equal to. After that one, we calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx, apply uv formula u dash v plus v dash u plus a square into sin h inverse x. Derivative of sin h inverse x equal to 1 by under root 1 plus x square. We apply that formula. 1 by under root 1 plus x square. 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Derivative of the internal function. Derivative of the internal function 1 by a. So derivative of this one. Next, derivative of x value 1, x square plus a square. Derivative of this one. First derivative of the root function 1 by 2 root x square plus a square into derivative of x square 2x. This x is this one. These two cancel. Next, a square by, take LCM, a square plus x square, a square LCM, a square plus x square into 1 by a. Root a square value a, root a square value a. So this a cancel. Once again, under root a square value a, so a cancel. So under root a square plus x square, under root a square plus x square. So take LCM, under root x square plus a square, under root LCM under root x square plus a square. Numerator LCM is the same, x into x square plus a square. So observe this one. Same function is there, but in the denominator there is also root. For example, 3 by root 3. 3 means root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 cancel. Similarly, this cancellation under root x square plus a square. 3 by root 3. 3 means root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 cancel. Similarly in this place. So 3 by root 3. 1 root 3 cancel. Again second root 3. So same function repeated 2 times. So answer is 2 into under root a square plus x square sin y equal to x into sin of a plus y. Show that dy by dx equal to. Next, differentiate x equal to sin y by sin of a plus y. X equal to sin y by sin of a plus y. This is in the form of u by v. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x value 1. Apply u by v formula. U dash v minus v dash u by v square sin square a plus y u dash b minus b dash u by b square. Derivative of sin x cos x. Similarly, derivative of sin y cos y into dy by dx. Derivative of sin a plus y cos a plus y. Derivative of a 0. Derivative of y 1 into dy by dx. So 1 equal to cos y into dy by dx. Take cross multiplication. Sin square a plus y equal to derivative of sin y cos y into dy by dx sin of a plus y. Next, derivative of sin minus cos a plus y. Derivative of a 0. Derivative of y 1 into dy by dx into sin y. Take dy by dx common. Sin square a plus y into dy by dx. What is the remaining term? Sin a plus y cos y minus cos a plus y sin y. Observe this one. Observe. This is in the form of, let it be a, let it be b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b formula. So sin square a plus y equal to dy by dx sin of a value a plus y, b value y. A plus y minus y plus y minus y cancel. So sin square a plus y equal to sin a into dy by dx. Bring this one into LHS. So dy by dx equal to sin square a plus y by sin a by sin a